Now it should be fine. Now it should be fine. Okay. So good morning to everyone. It's 24th of December. It's a free day for me, just before Christmas. Christmas Eve. Uh, I wish very good holidays and very warming and loving holidays to everyone. I wanted to make a video because I had a lot of work past week and I think I was not able to do a video. I want to start with, of course, usually weekly and daily on the Bitcoin. Now, weekly, the weekly chart on Market Cipher, or not Market Cipher, but let's say this is free, the free version of it. Well, we have money flow continuing down, and I can see that the Heiken Ashi is turning to the red as well, but we have some momentum bullish divergence. Sorry. So that's momentum, bullish divergence on the momentum, and it's very tricky because it seems that the price action is choppy. A lot of traders are not trading, of course, during the holidays, and I think there may be some price fluctuations, more volatility during this period, because a lot of players are just taken out their money and not trading with their capital. Now that's interesting. On the daily, we have a daily green dot, and money flow is going up, so this is bullish. And on the weekly, it seems mixed to bearish. So really tricky to trade. I will not be trading right now as well. Just I don't see the opportunity with this. Well, there might be some long opportunity on the daily. This is what I'm saying. It's always possible that this was the bottom and we never are going down again below this level at 15 and 16k. So this will surprise a lot of people because I think everyone is bearish right now. A lot of bearish sentiment in the on media, on Twitter or everywhere. Like a lot of people are bearish, and yeah. On the 4 hour, it seems that we're continuing up. Heiken Ashi is printing green. We have to go through this resistance. If we break it, we're definitely will go up. On the 3 hour, it looks healthy because the money flow is increasing. Actually, the money flow is just going in the green above 0 line. So this is showing us that it's bullish. It can go to probably 17.5 or 18k again. Probably it's going to retrace this down move to 61%, like 17.5 or 6, somewhere there. Also the 1 hour looks bullish. We have a green dot, money flow going up. Yeah, I think you might have a small long if you have some free time. You can just attempt a small scalp to the upside. Yeah, I think this is what I can tell from the analysis that I have so far. Of course, the price action is choppy on the lower time frames because there is no volume right now, but volume may come if some players try to move the markets. They can move it with a smaller capital during this period. So have this in mind. Right now it looks choppy and really no activity, but at some point some big players may decide to, okay, free time is over, let's do some money. 15 minutes. Yeah, this is what I can say. 1 hour, of course it looks choppy. We have to go through this 16.8 resistance. Just if we start, we're above the quote on the 1 hour, above the Ichimoku quote, and if we start going up, we may start breaking this resistance. This is what I'm going to look for. On the 4 hour, well, it's we are below the quote, where it's possible that we get a little bit up to the quote at 17k, and then we get rejected. So that's also a scenario. But yeah, this 18.5 resistance is really a tough nut to crack. We may go up near this level, like 18k again, and get rejected again. So from this Tenkan-sen, only if we go through this Tenkan-sen convincingly, we may be able, a lot of people maybe start saying, okay, this might be the bottom. This would be also my idea. If we break this 18.5k resistance on the daily, and the daily Ichimoku start going above this level, I'll start saying this may be the bottom. This may be. Yeah, so that's it from my side. I think I want to see also the Google Trends of Bitcoin price search term, and also I want to see the volume delta on this chart, where it is. Why I have 1 minute? Should be 4 hours. Okay, so I think I have done here one trend line on the volume delta, and it seems we're still holding it. We're still holding this upside trend line on the volume delta, which is bullish, and I would suggest maybe that Bitcoin will go up at least to this 18 or 17.8 or 18k again, maybe. This is just maybe. Yeah, a lot of consolidation here. Also we have this huge fall that we may be retracing to 19, sorry, to 19.4 or 19.5. So we have another level. We have 18.5, then we have 19.5. If we start getting rejected from this level, like 19.5 or 20k, it would be really key, because we have a huge volume traded here. That would be really interesting. Now looking at the 4 hour, what Bitcoin is going to do. So far I see maybe a little bit of upside, not sure until when, maybe 17.5, maybe 18k, and then we might start dropping. We'll see. Now on the Bitcoin price search term, let's see the 12 month. So this is from June that we hit, I think, 17.6, and then we had one upside here, gaining, which actually went to the lower wall at 15 point something, at 15.7, and this is really interesting because we're bottoming again here. and I think there will be um, it depends. If we have a price drop with the Bitcoin price search term going up, we're going to aim for the real wave of 100. So if we start going up here, I would expect to huge price action like here, like in June. I would expect huge price action, um, and actually this wave going to 100. Of course we have to match the price action. For me it looks possible that this price action may be to the downside with the Bitcoin price search term going up to 100, but it may be the reverse which will mark the bottom. So that's really key. It has been really interesting from June to watch this. Now if I go to the 19 days, we see that we hit 100 here on this lower wall that we had at 15.7, let's say. We hit 100, and on the bigger on the 12-month chart, actually this seems like a little blip to the upside. So we are bottoming again, and soon, like, we hit 25, 29, 26. We are bottoming here on this search term, and we're going to have volatility coming soon. Maybe this is during the holidays, Christmas, or maybe before New Year, like 28, 27, 29 maybe. And it's really interesting what the Bitcoin price will do then. I think it's more probable to continue to the downside, but this might not be the case. This might mark the bottom. If we print 100 here on the 90 days and price start going up, that would be really something for me. That would really tell me, okay, watch out, this might be the bottom. Until then, we wait and see and sniff for a good trade, or make small scalps, although I can verify that from the small scalps that I had this year, I'm not very profitable, so it's a little bit a waste of time I think to do small scalps. But sometimes you can do it out of boredom. In the end, it's plus minus, it's almost the same. Okay, that's it from me. Have a nice holidays. This is what I wanted to say. It would be really interesting this time period, and I'll be watching this Bitcoin price search term, how it behaves, whether we have increasing volatility. Of course, the level I told you, the levels I told you, we're going to watch out. Okay, bye bye. I may do another video when I'm free. Um, we'll see, because I will be traveling. Enjoy.